people don't understand like the fucking sound effects to everything you have to do. Like say you're driving a car in a fucking movie. That
Man, all that,
you're
bro.
putting that in there.
You got
You know
to.
what I mean? When you open the door, when you
Yep.
close it, it's not natural noises.
Yeah,
Like
it's not.
every little fucking step. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Fuck, there's so much work. Just,
Every little detail, man, because people will notice like studying film and learning like you could have a beautiful movie. I mean, you talk to sound horrible, people will turn it off. They say a
yeah.
movie could look trash, but the sound great, people still gonna watch it. The story good, but people won't watch a movie if the sound is horrible.